Okay, this is the condensing unit. It's on the east side of the house. Foundation pad's supposed to keep it 3 inches up off of grade. I get it, it's on a pad, it's not on the ground. But I don't think it's elevated 3 inches off of grade. Most manufacturers on a block condensing unit, most manufacturers would like to see a 12-inch gap. So this should have been brought out a little farther to get better air circulation around here. This system was inspected a month ago by a licensed air conditioning specialist. I'm not a specialist, so his opinion should supersede mine. The electric service disconnects over to the side. I've got the dead front removed. But look at here. It's your ground. It's not hooked to the grounding bus behind here. It's not connected. What's that about? Not so good. Not so good. We should have a rain diverter above the unit so the water doesn't crash down on this unit. Which, by the way, a month ago and today, this unit is 3 years old. It's a Payne, manufactured 2018. It's a 5-ton system. It uses R410. That's the good refrigerant. It uses it. Now come over here. Here's the data plate. This states as much. But wait, what's going on down here? It says, and I got a still image of this, but this unit is supposed to have, for electrical protection, between a 35 and a 50 amp circuit breaker. And they prefer, and it's a heat pump system. You can see the reversing valve right there. So the manufacturer prefers that you have the largest size breaker available for this. But what did we find in the electric service panel? We found 30 amps, not 35. Manufacturer says a minimum of 35. You got a 30 amp circuit breaker protecting this, which would likely result in, or what are the repercussions of that? That's a better word. Nuisance trips. This circuit isn't designed to handle the load that this system is going to put on it. Just saying. 3 years ago, this was required to be rigid foam. See this foam like this? No, this does not meet 2015 energy code requirements. This system was installed in 2018. Coming down here, try looking this up in the dictionary. Schrader valves, but really they're refrigerant service valve ports. 90% of your leaks happen at these valves, at these ports. We're missing our valve cap over here on the high pressure side. It's not even there. On the low pressure side, which you should have on both of these, is not a cap like this. You should have an anti-theft Schrader valve cap. So we've got the wrong kind of cap. Now it's too warm out here today to operate this system in the heat pump mode. We're going to operate it in the cooling mode. We'll go into emergency cycle for that. We will. So we got the wrong kind of caps and missing caps, the wrong kind of foam. Box should have been sealed. The grounding definitely should have been done. We should have a diverter. Should be farther from the wall and what on that. Now, if this whole system was installed, the entire system was installed today, there'd be an electric receptacle outlet out here. As it is, the technician, if he's going to run any equipment, has to force an extension cord around that corner or around this corner to get to the other parts of the house to get electric power out. So do not have that. Grandfather, whatever. So, but anyway, that's what we got. Not high enough, too close, wrong foam, no Schrader valve caps, no diverter, underfused, and not properly grounded. And then it should be sealed around here.